Hello, hello, hello again. Oh, I'm so excited. Obviously, I already know what's in these bags, but I'm just excited to order. I'm super excited. Anyways, last day at the hotel, and I picked up my goodies. Actually ordered them, and they came in, so I went to the store and grabbed them. I'm trying to get the rest of the light for the day, because, well, two things. We're about to go out to eat, and for my birthday, and yeah, I have natural light right now, so I'm trying to use it instead of trying to do it later with no light in the dark. And you know, I don't know how lighting is going to be later, let me put it that way. So I have two items, and since I ordered it, there's nothing in the cart. Well, unless my essay put something in the cart. No, he didn't put anything in the cart. So anyhow, there's one. And here's, oh, I forgot how heavy this is. Never mind. So, this is my first item. Ah, I'm so excited. Okay then. It still feels good to open a present. Yeah, I know what it is. Yeah, I paid for it, but you know, I don't care. My present. And I can actually finally wear it now that I'm opening it. Oh, wear it. Yeah, I gave it away. It's ready to wear. Isn't that cool? Like, I didn't even, wait a minute. Oh, yeah. They, let me see. The card. I think this is the way it works, yeah. And then, is there anything on the card? I'm looking at it. No, it's blank. Okay. And then this beauty. Yes. Oh, it's clear. Okay. It says, oh, and it's damier print. Oh, how cool. Alrighty. This is my first piece of ready to wear that I've purchased from the boutique. Oops, that fell to my phone. There we go. Yay! Yeah, I do like my polos. I mean, no, I shouldn't say that. I like a polo, yes. But I like this one in particular because you can see it has the damier imprint on one side. The other side is just normal. Yep. And it's on the pocket. So it's very, very subtle. But I love it. I'm so excited. And the thing is, once I found out that certain sizes on the men's side would fit me, I was like, okay, then let me go ahead and try this out. So this is a size 4L. And it's just me in here, so I won't be able to do a try-on haul, but it's very nice. I have another, let's see, I have another LV shirt. No, that's my pants. Yeah, here's a shirt. I have this other LV shirt that I got from the Real. And this one actually has the LV imprint on it. And I got this one for a steal, because this is actually current season, or at least it's currently available online. And I got this bag for almost 50% off. Yep. Oh, I did have a coupon though, so maybe it's more like 30% off because I had a coupon or a credit. I had a credit for a shipping error they made. So there we go. So anyways, that's my outfit I'm wearing. So this is the first item. Yay! This is it. Yeah, it's a 4L. Oh, this is the info on it. Half damier pocket polo. Yay! Okay. So, I'm very excited about this, yes. But I am even more excited about this next one because y'all, finally done it. Found a pair of shoes. Oh, and this is something I just got in the mail. Totally just And I think the insert says my name. But yeah, isn't every day you turn 200. Da, 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 da. This journey of the man in the heart of the Jura forest is brought to life in this edition of the book. Bicentennial of Louis Vuitton's birth. Alrighty then. And this is what this looks like on the back. Very nice. So I have this. Yay. Cool beans. I'll take that out later. And then go ahead and put this along the side. It was as heavy as I don't know what. And I tried it on in store and it fit. And I was like, oh my gosh. So, let's see here. What's this? Oh, these are my receipts. Oh yeah. So my receipts. Oh, and a return label. Yeah, because I ordered it in store. And then of course I had it delivered in store instead of to me directly. So, Louis Vuitton shoes. And y'all know the troubles I've had with these shoes. But this one finally fit. So excited. Oops, low battery power. Let's see here. This open. Uh-oh. You know the one-handed unboxing, y'all. Y'all know what I'm going through. Y'all know what I'm going through. There we go. So, y'all got any guesses? Okay, that is, I'm not gonna delay this anymore. 1, 2, and I got the oh, let's see if this can come out the bam. Aren't they gorgeous? I love them. Oh, and they fit. I cannot believe they fit. So I got these in, as you know, size 12. All fine. High-end luxury shoes were in small. I usually wear a size 11. And in none of them can I wear a size 11. Or what would be a 41, I think, in European sizes. That's a negative. Ain't no 41 ever been my friend. But 42s can sometimes be good. Not so much with Louis Vuitton. I've tried other 42s that have not worked, but these did. Tried them on in store. They're wonderful. She knew it was for my birthday, so she went ahead and wrapped it all back up. And it's all ready for me to wear. So I'm actually going to wear these tonight. My shoes. This all black moment. I want the shoe to be the star. So I'm going to wear it tonight. Yay! Oh, I'm so excited. So yes, happy birthday to me. So I just have some black knit slacks. And then I'm gonna wear this top and this on the bottom. And then I have LV earrings. It's an LV kind of day. Or kind of night. There we go. So then I have LV earrings. And there we go. And I have an LV bracelet somewhere too. I don't know where it is. But that's the look. That's the look for today. Tonight is the birthday look. Yay! I'm so excited. So yes, I'm very happy. Very happy with my purchases. And now I finally have a pair of shoes that fit my feet. I love it. I love it. I have another pair of derby shoes. They're men's. They're a men's size though, a men's style. So I have two now, but this is really it. I love it. All right, y'all. So that is my birthday from me to me, and I'm beyond ecstatic. I'm beyond happy. Yeah, that's it. That's all I have. I actually, no, that's not true. I have one more item that actually I'm not sure where it is. Oh crap, what did I do with it? Ooh, yeah, okay then. Yeah, I don't know where the other is. I just thought about that. Oh, you know what? I think I left it at a girlfriend's house. That's right. Long story short, I got a perfume. So I got these 2 items and we're perfume. Alrighty then, y'all. That's it. Happy birthday to me. I'm so excited. I got other little things. So there's actually going to be another unboxing of smaller items, but these were the 2 biggies, the 2 expensive things. Alrighty, now it's back to ramen and soda crackers and water. You know, yeah, I'm middle class, y'all, so I gotta save for this. So I'll be saving again for like another year. All right, until next time, you guys. Bye.